In this video, we are making an order for 325 cubic meters of clay. The work took us 3 days with 3 people. We are paid from the cubicles that were cut down and taken away before. Our task is to clean up the branches that are left. We take a chainsaw with us because we are cutting some longer branches. We are paid for every cutting hour. Okay, that's it. You can guess how much we made in total. Put the number in the comments and I will tell you how close are you. I'll see you in the next videos.